So if you are writing student salt, okay, when acid reacts with what, Janab? Reacts with base, then it forms salt. Okay, then it forms salt and water. That is correct one. Salt and water. Okay.
Yes.
The nature of salt. The nature of salt. One statement I missed. The nature of salt depends on. The nature of salt depends on strength of acids and base. Strength of acids and base. Okay. So nature of salt is going to depend on the strength of acids and base. Okay. So it can be the acidic salt, basic salt, neutral salt, anything. So first off, let us try to write down the example. Okay. If you are writing the example right now, suppose I am having CH3COOH. This is what is known as acetic acid. Its common name is acetic acid, otherwise ethanoic acid. If you are treating with the NaOH, this is what is known as Janab, that is sodium hydroxide. Okay, sodium hydroxide. Now, if you are combining these two together, so how they are actually going to combine? From here, this is H will go, acid always give H plus, and base will give, that is OH minus. This H plus and OH minus is going to combine. This is forming the water molecule, and whatever the left one is there, that is salt. CH3COONA. This is the salt. This is water. So what that
Yes,
you are saying, that is absolutely correct. Suppose we are having, that is HCl acid. Okay. And if you are treating with the NaOH base, right? So what is going to happen here? That is chlorine is going to give what, Janab? That is acid give H plus ion. So from here it is going to take H, and from base give OH minus ion. So this is going to be the water molecule is being formed here. This is the water molecule, and what is left here, you can see that is NaCl. This is going to be salt. Okay, this is the salt. So the definition
yes, sir.
we are talking about, that is when acid react with base, that is forming the salt. After that we are going to write, that is types of salt. Okay, types of salt. So kindly make a note of it also, Jana, please.
Yes, sir.
Completed? Completed?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Completed?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Write down fast.
Yeah, done, sir.
Done?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let us try to go for the types of salt. So we wrote that is acidic salt. It may be acidic salt, Jana, or it can be basic salt, or that is final, it can be neutral salt. So first one we are going to write down, that is acidic salt. Okay. Here I am writing that is acidic salt. Acidic salt. Right. If you talk about acidic salt, Jana, that is salt solution of. They are saying salt solution. Okay. Salt solution formed by salt solution formed by what, Jana? Salt solution formed by what? Salt solution formed by what, Jana? A strong acid. Salt solution formed by a strong acid and weak base. Salt solution formed by strong acid and weak base are known as, you know, that is what is going to be, are known as what? Are known as acidic salt.
Yes.
Okay, or acidic salt having pH what? Less than 7. Having pH less than 7. Okay.
Sure.
So let us try to understand what they are saying. If suppose we are having in the system, what is there? Strong acid is there, Sa, plus weak base is there, Wb. So which will have more effect, Janab? A strong acid in the solution or weak base? Which will have more effect?
Strong acid.
A strong acid. So they are going to form salt, but that is a strong acid have aspect. So that is the salt will form. That is what is known as acidic salt. Okay. For example, Janab, you take that is HCl. HCl is a strong acid. This is going to be a strong acid. Now, Janab, when you are treating with the weak base NH4OH, NH4OH, this is the weak base. Okay. So if you are treating these two, Janab, so what is going to happen? So acid and base reacting means they are has to form that is salt and water. So here is H, and from here what is going to be released? OH. So here is that is it is forming that is H2O. Another thing what is being formed, Janab, that is NH4Cl. So that is what is, Janab, that is ammonium chloride. This is what is known as ammonium chloride. So this is ammonium chloride is salt. Ammonium chloride salt. But what kind of salt is there, Jana? That is acidic salt. Why acidic salt? Because it is formed by strong acid. HCl is very strong acid. And weak base. NH4OH is weak base. So it is forming what? Acidic salt. Are you be able to understand, Jana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you write down, or should I tell other also? Then you will write together.
No, sir. You tell other also, then I'll write.
Okay. So if you are talking about the basic salt, okay. So Janab, what you will say about the basic salt? Okay. What you will say definition? These salts are formed by. These salts are formed by what, Janab? These salts are formed by what? A strong base or weak base? What will be there, Janab? Tell me. Guess.
Strong wish.
A strong base. Okay. These salts are formed by a strong base. Okay, these salt of strong base and what, Jana? And weak acid. These salt are formed by strong base and weak acid. This is formed by strong
Weak
base
acid.
and weak acid. And they are saying, and the form salt and the form salt have pH. What will be the pH, Jana? less than 7 or more than 7 form salt must have pH. What will be there, Janab? pH more than 7 or less than 7. Basic means what? More than 7 or less than 7?
Sir, more than 7.
So form salt must have pH more than 7. Okay, more than 7. If you are talking about this one, Janab, is saying, suppose I am taking that is CH3COOH. This is the weak acid. Okay. Now, if I are talking about the base, Janab, I can take that is NaOH. This is going to be a strong base. It is very, very strong base. So same method is there. That is water will H will come from the acid and OH will come from the base. So what is going to form, Janab, here? It will be forming the water molecule plus what is there is Janab CH3 COONA. So that is, this is known as what, Janab? Basic salt. Okay. We need to, today we are going to calculate the pH. Next one, neutral salt. I am writing what, Janab? That is neutral salt. Okay, neutral salt. What is neutral salt?
Yes, sir.
The salt which is the salt which is formed by the salt which is formed by mixing strong acid, mixing strong acid and strong acid and strong acid and what? Strong base. Strong acid and strong base is known as what, Janab? Is known as what? Neutral salt. Is known as neutral
Neutral
salt.
salt.
So the salt which is formed by mixing strong acid and strong base is known as neutral salt. So I am having that
Neutral
is
salt.
NaOH. Firstly, you say acid, you take that is acid. I am taking that is HCl. This is what is strong acid. HCl is very strong acid, and NaOH, if you are taking NaOH, this is going to be very strong base. Strong base. So what they are doing, Janab, if you are heating these together, so the same way here NaCl, the salt will form and remaining water will form. So here you can say what is forming, that is NaCl. This is what? Neutral salt. NaCl is neutral salt having pH 7,
Neutral salt.
and this is the water. So strong base is known as neutral salt. It has pH how much, Janab? It has pH how much? 7.
Yes.
Okay. Next heading will be there, Janab. What? pH calculation of pH calculation of salt of salt of okay, weak acid and weak base. We will start
Yes.
from here. Weak acid, salt of, firstly you write that is
Weak base.
salt of weak acid and weak base. So first of all, you write down this whatever we will study, then we are going to solve the problem based on it. So can you make a note of it, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mhm.
Done?
No, sir.
Okay. हो गया?
Yeah. 1 minute, 1 minute. Just
आराम से लिखिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
yeah, done.
Done. So one more page
Yeah.
is there. 1, 2 page are there. Basics are.
Yeah, yeah.
Is there COVID case nearby your house, Janab?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, over here, people are not able to differentiate whether it's Omicron or it's viral. Because so
Uh-huh.
over here, means like most of the people are having fever and also. So
Uh,
people are not able to differentiate whether it's Omicron or viral or COVID.
yeah. Yes, yes, yes. But you take care,
So
na?
even at my home, everyone are ill, sir. First, everyone were ill, then I got ill at last.
Okay, okay, okay. No. You take care, please. You take care, okay? You take care.
Yes, sir. I had very much high fever. That's why I wasn't able to attend.
No problem, no problem. Health is important now. Health is important.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Done. The last page, you please write down the last page also. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
you solve the problem. This one, neutral sum. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we are going to solve the problem on the pH of salt, pH calculation of salt of weak acid and weak base. See, Jana, what they are saying, we know, we know Ka is acid dissociation constant, is acid dissociation constant, acid
Yes,
dissociation
sir.
constant, okay, and
Yes.
Kb is base dissociation constant, base dissociation constant, okay, base dissociation constant, and therefore pKa is equal to minus log Ka, and they are saying pKb is equal to minus log Kb. Okay, so this is there. This is what Ka we know. So we need to know that is pKa and pKb. So pH is equal to what? That is the is there 7 plus 1 by 2 pKa minus pKb. How we need to calculate pH? This is the formula. Okay, very small formula. pH, this is the pH for salt of what, Janam? Weak acid and weak base. Salt of weak acid and weak base. Okay, this is the pH formula for salt of weak acid and weak base. So that we need to keep in mind. Okay, so here if you are talking about this one, let us try to solve the problem one. Okay, so there are so many problems are there. Firstly, we are going for if pKa of weak acid HCN is how much, Jana? Is 9.02, and pKb for weak base, some weak base is there. Weak base, what is the weak base? NH4OH is 4.76 is 4.76. Then calculate pH of the pH of the mixture of these solution, pH of the mixture of the solution, that we have to do. Option A they have given Janab 9.13, B number 10.13, C number 7.13, and D number 8.13. These are there. So how can you do the solution, student? How can you do? Janab, first of all, see, they have said this is the weak acid, HCN is weak acid, and another they are saying that is weak base. What is there? NH4OH. What other things they have said? That pKa, pKa given 9.02, and pKb they have given 4.76. So pH of salt of what? Weak acid and weak base. Weak acid and weak base. Weak acid and weak base is calculated as. How they are calculating, Janab? Calculated as. We don't have the formula derivation. Direct we need to calculate. 7 plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1 by 2 pKa minus pKb. Very simple. So we are putting the value in the formula. pH is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2 pKa value. See pKa value 9.02. 9.02 minus 4.76. 4.76. Okay, this is there. So 7 plus 1 by 2. You subtract Janab 9.02 and 4.76. So how much is coming if you are subtracting? 6, 6, 12. So 6 will come. 9 minus 7. So 2 will come. Here is 8 minus 4. So 4 will come, I think. Okay. So here is 4.26 is coming, Janab. 7 plus. You divide by this. So 2, 2 ja 4, 2, 1 ja 2, 2, 3 ja 6. Right. So if you are adding, Janab, 7 plus. Okay. How can we add it out? Tell me the answer. What is coming, Janab? 7.00 you can mention. 2.13. So you add, that is 319. 9.13 is coming. 9.13. So which is correct option, Janab? Option.
Yes, sir.
Are you be able?
Option A, sir.
Are you be able to understand, Janab?
Yes, sir. I need a bit practice, sir. I understood, but
Okay. So today we'll do the practice on it. So you please write down this one now. Can you write?
yes,
Can you
sir.
write? Right.
Yes, yes.
We'll give you the problem based on it. So you solve today here.
Yes, sir. What?
Okay, next page also please write down Janab the problem, this problem. Completed?
No.
Okay, okay, write down, write down. Done, Janab?
Mm,
Completed?
yes, sir.
Okay. Can I write another problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down the very easy problem. You solve this problem, na? They are saying calculate the pH of salt formed by mixing weak acid formed by mixing weak acid and weak base formed by mixing weak acid and weak base. Calculate the pH of salt formed by mixing weak acid weak base having what they are saying that are having pKa value 4 pKa value 4 and pKb value 5. Okay, so they have said then of what is given. Option A 6, option B 6.5, option C 7, option D 7.5. Let us try to solve Janab. How can you be able to solve this? Okay, so Janab, you know, they already said they are the mixture of weak acid and weak base. So how we calculate Janab? Firstly, you write given. What is there? Given pKa is equal to 4, comma pKb is equal to how much Janab? 5. And pH of salt of weak acid and weak base is how much Janab? pH is equal to how much is coming Janab? Here you see 7 plus 1 by 2 pKa minus pKb. Janab, you put the value 7 plus 1 by 2. What is pKa value? 4 minus what is pKb value? 5. Okay, so that is 7 plus 1 by 2. 4 minus 5, how much is coming? Minus 1. So that is 7. That is plus, how much will come, Janab? In bracket, if you are solving, so plus divide 1 by 2. So that will come minus 0.5. So if you are solving, pH is equal to what? 7 plus into minus minus 0.5. How much will come, Janab? 6.5. pH is equal to 6.5. So correct option is option number B. Can you understand, Janab, this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please write down this.
Yes.
Done, Janab?
Hmm.
Done?
Wait, sir.
Can I erase now?
No, wait.
Okay. So Janab, what we can do here, I'm writing one more problem. Little tough problem, not tough.
Wait. Sir, once can you turn?
But
Last.
what? I think I erased that page. I deleted. Is this question? No, no.
No, I wrote this one. It's okay, sir. I'll complete it.
6.5 was coming. 6.5. PH was coming
Okay, sir.
6.5. Okay. I'm giving you another question. Little tough problem, na? I'm giving you tough problem.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Firstly, I'm writing pk is equal to minus log ka and pkb is equal to minus log kb. This we need to apply in this question. That is why I'm giving you. Question is the solution of, they are saying, the solution of a salt of a weak acid, salt of a weak acid and a weak base, the solution of salt, weak acid and weak base will have weak base. Okay. Weak
Yes, sir.
base. This type of problem asked in the NEET exam. Base will have pH. How much Janab they are tagging? If will have pH. If Kb is 10 power minus 4 and Ka is 10 power minus 6. So this is the question what they have given. And they the same time they are giving the options also. Okay. Kb is equal to 10 power minus 4. Option they have given first option 7, 8, 6, 4. This is the A number, this is B number, this is C number, this is D. Okay. So if you are doing solution, first of all we need to write that is Ka. Ka how much is given? How much? 10 power minus 6. Same time they have given kb. How much? 10 power minus 4. So pka. So K is minus log Ka. So minus log Ka means minus log Ka value 10 power minus 6. Janab, do you know what is the formula, Janab? Log A power n. What is formula log A power n?
Sir, log n log a.
N log A. So Janab, here you see log 10 power minus 6. So 6 log 10 will be there. Yes or no? Minus
Yes.
minus 6 log 10. What is the value of log 10, Janab? Log 10 value? 1.
Log 10 1, sir.
1. So here is what? Minus. Here is minus 6 log 10 value 1. So minus into minus plus, that will be 6. So pKa is equal to 6. pKb you see. So
Yes, sir.
pKb value, how to calculate, Jana? pKb. So you are carrying minus log kb. They have given here formula. pKb is equal to minus log kb. So equal to minus log kb value. kb value 10 power minus 4. So log a power n, we can split this value on log a power n. So that is, here is minus 4 is there. So what we will write, Janab? Minus and minus 4 log 10. Log 10 value you told me 1. So minus 4 log 10 value 1. So minus into minus plus. So pKb value you got 4. Okay. Now you can calculate the pH. pH is equal to 7 plus 1 by 2 in bracket pKa minus pKb. So then now what we can do here is 7 plus 1 by 2. What is value of pKa? 6. What is value of pKb? 4. So what is coming, Janab? 7 outside 1. Here is what we can write. Let me write 7 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. If sub 6 minus 4, that is 6 minus 4, 2. So what will come, Janab? Here you see 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja 2. 7 plus 1. So pH is coming how much, Janab? pH is coming 8. Can you understand, Janab, this one? Can you understand this? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Little bit tough, but if when you practice, it will be easy.
Yes, sir.
Please make a note of it, please.
Yes, sir. Me too. Yeah? Right.
बीजी पपाया काटते रहना नको और
Done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Can I give you some more problem?
No, sir. No.
Okay, I'll share on your WhatsApp number. Okay, you try to see that. Huh?
Okay, yes, sir. You send me.
Mhm. Okay, okay. So completed, writing completed.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow, Janam. Okay, yes.
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay.
Mark video?
Take care of your health. Huh?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Bye.
You too. Thank you, sir.